this video on an overview of task and DRR in IFW Campus ERP 2.0. During this video, you can have a look and feel about the product. In the module list at the left, there is a module Task and DRR which helps you to manage your daily reporting and the tasks assigned to the various employees. Let's have a look at the dashboard of this module. As you can see, the module is divided into masters and forms. You can check your tasks in My Tasks and you can enter your DRR, that is Daily Report Record, from My DRR. If you want to assign any tasks to any employee, go to Assign Task. You can see the form is divided into three parts: Search, Listing, and the third one is the Forms. The already assigned tasks will be listed under the Listing section. You can click on Add New if you wish to add the new task. Select the college, select the employee to whom you want to assign the task. You can search the employee from here also, like this. You can assign the task to multiple employees also. Now, this task will be assigned to the two people. Give your description about the task here. Give the task details. This is how you have assigned the task. You can mention the deadline, by when it has to be completed, and just click on Save. When these people will log in, they can see these tasks assigned to them. When you'll go in My Task and DRR, Employee Task, here you can see the tasks assigned to you along with the date range by when it has to be completed. Just click it here, give your reply, the reply will be saved. These are the shortcuts. You can move to the dashboard directly. From assigned tasks, you assign the task to a particular employee, and in employee tasks, those employees can see the respective tasks. From here itself, they can put a reply on them as we did. Now, check task replies. Select the particular college, select the department and the employee to whom you have provided the task. Click on Search. So this was the task given to the employee. You can see if the employee has sent any reply. These replies will be visible here. And if the employee hasn't sent any reply, this reply section will be empty like this. So this has yet to be replied. So this is how tasks are handled. Assigned, check, and check the replies. There is a form task rating. The tasks given to the various employees can be rated from here. Select the employee, click on Search. All the things will be visible here. You can rate it in the stars. Like this. Multiple ratings are not allowed. Once if it is rated, then you can't change. On the form assigned task section will give you all the details that are listed under the listing section as it is. For example, click on export, click on print. It will be listed like this as it is. There is an option export plus. It is an advanced form of export option. Click on export plus. You can arrange the fields according to your requirement as well as you can choose the fields according to your requirement. Click on task. Click on start date, end date and employee name. Click on export. You can print. You can get the data in HTML. You can export it to PDF and Excel also. As we clicked on print, the tasks are here along with the start date, end date and employee name. Now, if I wish to take the employee name first, what I have to do is select the employee name first, select the task, start date and end date. I want the serial number also, so I'll click on show serial number. And this is how the report is modified according to the requirement. You can save this template for future. These templates have been saved here. Next time when you'll go to the export plus, you don't have to make selections again. Simply select the template from here. The details will be shown as they were selected. Click on print and you'll get the report. In the report plus section, you will get some more details about the task. Go to the task report. There is a report format. Double click on it. It will get opened. You can select the desired fields like date, task, college, employee, replies, from date, to date, rating. Here you can also check the replies given by the employees and the ratings given to the employees. So this is how you will get this additional report here. Here also you have option to save the template. You can group the records by the employee name, by the date and college. Group by on date, show serial number, take the employee name, task, from date to date, reply and rating. Go to the export and click on print. You'll get the desired report here, along with the replies and the ratings given to the employees. This is how tasks in a college are maintained. Now moving again onto the dashboard, we have completed tasks. Now we move on to the DRR. DRR here means the daily report record. You will enter a record to the reporting employee and the reporting employee can check your daily records here, the work done by you on daily basis. Like Peter Taylor has done this work for this particular date. From where employees will enter their DRR, that is from My DRR, Employee DRR. Employee DRR allows you to enter the work done by you and send it to your reporting manager. Like, enter here like this. You type your message and click on save. Now your reporting manager can see it here in the check DRR section. In the check DRR section, your reporting manager will check the details from here. Export allows you to extract the data as it is shown in the listing, and Export Plus will allow you to arrange your data according to the required format. You can group by on DRR date or employee name. your report looks like. Now this is the one format that we exported using the export plus. Same can be exported in a different format. Like if I group by on DRR date, then I export the data, I'll get it something like this. So this was all about task and DRR in IFW Campus ERP.